What do you do when your world is turned upside down by betrayal? Whether it's porn, flirting, emotional affairs, addiction, even financial secrets. Infidelity isn't just about sex, it's about broken trust. If your spouse has betrayed that trust, you're probably feeling confused, angry, devastated, broken. So what now? Stay with me. I'm going to walk you through the steps that can lead you out of chaos and toward clarity. So let's be clear about what counts as broken trust. Betrayal isn't always physical. Obviously, affairs and hookups count, but so does abuse, whether it's physical or verbal, as is watching porn, flirty messages with coworkers, deep emotional connections that cross boundaries, hiding money or secret spending, and finally, addictions that pull your spouse and your trust out of the relationship. If it betrays your shared trust, it matters. And no, you're not overreacting. You're not crazy. Your pain is valid. If your spouse has betrayed your trust in any way, here's what needs to happen right now if there's to be any hope for healing. If another person is involved in the betrayal, your spouse needs to cut off all contact with them right now. No more texting, calling, messaging, or just friends dates with the other person. And no more secret behaviors or addictions. Full stop. No gray area. Number 2, radical honesty. The lies stop today. That means no more half-truths, vague answers, or protecting you with omissions. The truth is painful, but it's the only soil that trust can grow in. Number 3, no excuse accountability. This isn't just about saying I'm sorry. That's just words. Meaningful accountability is about taking consistent, transparent action. That might include sharing passwords, daily check-ins, financial openness, or sobriety supports. Number 4, you need long-term intervention. This will not fix itself. You need someone who understands the path forward. Perhaps someone like me. I work with couples navigating betrayal and restoration from a biblical standpoint. You need more than a YouTube video or a 30-day plan. Most couples are going to need a year's worth of weekly sessions and continuing long-term support after that. Don't shortcut the process. Now, this next part is tender, and I want you to hear me clearly. You didn't cause the betrayal, but you may have played a role in the dynamic. That could look like believing excuses instead of setting boundaries, often in the name of being understanding or even submissive if you're a woman. Or it could be withdrawing emotionally instead of facing the hurt, perhaps nagging or criticizing instead of clearly stating your needs, or even staying silent to avoid rocking the boat. This is a false peace that solves nothing. Please understand, this is not about blame. It's about healing. And healing becomes possible, even powerful, when both partners are willing to look inward. You both deserve a relationship built on truth, safety, and love, not fear or fake peace. Listen up. Here's what to do now. If this hit close to home, don't try to figure it out alone. Get professional support. This is what I do. Nothing shocks me. I've heard it all. Set clear boundaries that are kind, firm, and wise. Sometimes even a temporary separation is exactly what's needed for healing. Commit to a real process, not just a patch. Restoration isn't guaranteed, but without action, repeated betrayal almost certainly is. You can have a faithful marriage even after betrayal, but it starts with truth, and it starts with help. If this is where you find yourself, hurting, confused, and unsure what to do next, you're not alone. If you're ready for real support, I offer coaching packages for couples walking through betrayal and rebuilding trust. Whether you're navigating addiction, emotional affairs, or just trying to feel safe again, I'd be honored to walk through that with you. Just follow the link in the description to get started. Your marriage does not have to end here, but it does need to change. This is hard, but healing is possible, and you don't have to do it alone.